Before you browse anything today, you need to hear this. These are the top 5 free VPNs for 2026. Fast, safe, and perfect for staying protected online. And the best part? They're 100% free to start. Welcome to Smart Tech Lab, your home for AI tools, productivity hacks, and online security tips. Let's jump in. Number 5. ProtonVPN, one of the few VPNs offering unlimited data on the free plan. Perfect for daily browsing, streaming light content, and protecting your identity. Get ProtonVPN using the link in the description. Number 4. Windscribe, strong privacy, fast servers, and 10 GB free every month. Great if you want speed without paying a dime. Grab Windscribe free below. Number 3. Hide.me, zero logs, excellent speeds, and built-in advanced security features, even on the free version. Perfect for public Wi-Fi. Check out Hide.me in the description. Number 2. TunnelBear, super beginner-friendly, fun design, and strong encryption. The free plan gives you 2 GB monthly. Great for light browsing. Download TunnelBear, link below. And number 1. AtlasVPN free. Fast servers, solid privacy, and unlimited bandwidth on selected locations. This is the best all-round free VPN for 2026. Important reminder: free VPNs are great for basic protection, but they're not perfect. If you need streaming, gaming, or maximum speed, consider upgrading to a paid version using the links below. So there you have it, the top 5 free VPNs for 2025 to stay safe online without spending a cent. All download links are in the description. If you want more cybersecurity tips and AI tools to level up your daily workflow, hit subscribe, and welcome to Smart Tech Lab.